I come to you, let my heart be changed when you flowing from the grace that I found in you. Lord, I come to know the weaknesses I see in me will be stripped away by the power of your Lord, unveil my eyes, let me see your face to face, the knowledge of your love as you live in me. Lord, when you